Hello guys, welcome to Motor Race. The bike in front of us is the Zone Test T310. So I'll run you through the basic features of a motorcycle. So let's start with the cockpit of the bike. Now with me here, like I said, the Zone Test T310. So we'll start with the left hand side. This is the clutch. Okay, so the clutch helps cut power to the rear wheel when you press. This is a signal switch. This is a low beam and light beam, and if you want to put on the lights. Okay, this is the hazard switch. If you turn it on, you see on the dash there are the hazard signals. This is the left and right turn signals, if you see from the dash, so whichever way you want. And then this is the horn. This is the horn. Sorry, I can't do that much of that. A moment for the airplane to pass. Okay, now the mode and set, this is just basic for this bike if you want to set the dash in terms of time and any other thing. Now we come to the dash. So this is the N, which is the gear. It tells you which gear. So if I shift press the gear shift down, it goes to 1, then back up to neutral, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's most bikes do it that way, motorcycles. This is the speed, then the revs per minute, RPM, fuel indicator, and the temperature. You also have the overall mileage, and then the trip for the day at 25 hours. On this side we have the kill switch. So this kills power to the engine. So now it's off. So if it's on, that means you can drive the bike. I mean, you can ride the bike. If it's off, even if you do anything, nothing will respond. For this bike, we have this for opening the seat, and then the fuel, this for fuel, don't worry about that. And then for this bike, it's keyless. So in keyless ignition bikes, what happens is that when I press this, the bike turns on. Now and then here we have the throttle. So when the bike is on, and then I rev the throttle by rolling it towards me this way, it revs bike and gives more speed. When you're moving, it gives more speed to the bike. And then we have the front brake here. Okay, this is, so that is basically it when it comes to the cockpit. Now we're moving to the right side of the bicycle. So we have the kickstand. That is the kickstand. Then on this side we have the gear shifter. Like I said, most motorcycles, when you press down, that goes to gear 1, up, it's neutral. Then if you go on up, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we move to the other side of the motorcycle. Now on this side we have this, which is the rear brake. So it basically just works to slow down the rear tire. Now when it comes to motorcycle, what you should know is that the rear brake accounts to 30% of the braking power. The front brakes account to 70%. So most of the time it's better to use the front. When you're in slow speed, a rear brake works the most, and then it's always best to use both brakes. Okay, now that we are done with the controls and everything, we can go to the steps on how to start the bike and move. So let's get to it.